Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to curl your hair easily. I'm going to be using a comb and this detangler, and I'm going to be using sheer butter. What do you want to use again? Let's get into the matter right now. So I already wet my hair at this point. You can use your spray bottle to wet it. Then I'm using my detangler to at least detangle the tip of my hair. See my hair. Come on. So I'm detangling the tip of my hair. It is very important that your hair is not dry while you are doing this. So I'm dividing my hair into parts, two parts specifically. I'm trying to make sure that as I'm dividing it, any tangled spot I'm making sure I detangle it, not from the down, but from the tip of the detanglement. Please make sure you detangle from the tip and not from the root of your hair. So, I did the first divide because I just wanted to, not specifically to make it neat, but this time around I'm trying to make the lines straight. The first one was just to make the hair divided into two equal parts, and now I'm trying to make it very straight. Let's see how I do at that. Okay, now I really want to appreciate my returning subscribers, people that just watch my content. Thank you very much. And I would like to really welcome my new subscribers. Thank you. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. So now I'm packing one side of my hair. Nice. As I've said before, please ensure you detangle the tip of your hair. Please make sure that it helps you, one, retain your hair length, your hair growth. It just, in the long run, it pays. So just make sure, take out the time to what? To detangle the tip of your hair. And make sure your detangling is while it is moisturized and not dry. Moisturized. So right now I'm dividing the other part of my hair into two parts. I just really want to clarify something. If you want to make an all back or braid your hair all to the back, Nigerians we call it all back, you can then you divide this section of your hair into the length, into the number. If you want 4 on this part, you start dividing it into 4 parts. But personally, I just wanted to style my hair as I was going out. I divided my hair into 2 parts, and I wanted to cornrow 2 different sides with a particular straight line in the back, not down to the straight but halfway through. So I'm detangling as I dividing your hair into 2 parts. Whether you cut it in small size, small portion, or a larger portion, it will help you hold your hair firmly when you are braiding your hair. It is very important when you are braiding your hair. So dividing it into 2 parts will help you while you are braiding your hair. So I braided a part of my hair off camera. So I'm going to moisturize the tip of my hair with shea butter. This is not the only stuff I'm going to use for my hair, but during the making process, I just love using shea butter because it adds moisture and oil at the same time to my hair. So I'm dividing. Please, I really want you to watch very closely how I divide this hair. I took a little portion, divided into 2 in the front, and held on to the remaining larger portion. And I really need you to watch very closely. If you want to check again, I think you can reverse the video to check exactly how the movement is done. Thank you. Okay, and I would like to also mention that the portion of the hair you pick After while you are making it will determine how big or how slim your hair turns out to look like when it is done. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. And while you are doing this, I just really need you to say something out loud. You say it clearly, out loud, and affirmative with confidence and assurance in your heart. Just say, I am beautiful. My hair is beautiful. My body is beautiful. Everything about me is beautiful. I really need you to say these acclamations loudly. And don't worry, I know. The Bible says we are what? We are beautifully and wonderfully made. So I am just twisting out, at this point I'm twisting out the tip of my hair because of the style I want to do. I am not taking this all the way to the back. So I was still considering what if I wanted to pin that strand down or put it in the second portion of the hair. Then I decided, why not put it in the second portion of the hair, right? Why? Why would you want to leave it out? Even though what I want to attach to the back of my hair will cover it out. See me. Why am I wondering? At this point, I was just enjoying the tip of this detangler on my scalp. It was just like a massage too. Please, I am sure there are others, but the one I've tested personally and it has worked, it has not caused any damage to my own scalp, is this detangler. And I think you can buy it in stores, in beauty shops, you can order it on AliExpress, on Amazon, anywhere. But me, is this detangler that works. So I'm just going all the way. I'm checking the place I want to start on this side. So I'm starting the process again. As I said before, separating two smaller portions in the front, then holding on to the larger portion. This larger portion has already been divided into two, as I did earlier, for a better grip. And I would also like to mention that if you would not want to draw a brush, you just want it to serve for that tip, you don't draw your hand backwards, you stay at that point to make it there, not like the way I drew some hair to the back. The amount of brush you want is the amount of hair you draw to the back. So I just continued the process of braiding and ensuring that I detangle my hair beats by beats. Detangle it from the tip and not from the roots of your hair. So if you see here clearly, there's one on the left side, there's one inside the larger portion of the hair, and there's one in the front. So you little by little add the portion of the hair you want to take. That is the way you keep moving to the direction you want your hair to go to. So, if we've come this far together and you found this video helpful, please help me click the like button. Encourage these girls so I can know that you are enjoying and you found it useful. If you would like to see more content of mine, you can subscribe. And those of you that kept telling me that you subscribe but you don't see my videos when I post them, you should turn on the post notification bell. Just press it You're going to see all personalized and another one I can't remember right now. Just make sure you click all. Do you understand? So you'll be the first one to see my video whenever I upload. Thank you very much. You have, if you have any hairstyle you want me to try, you can drop that in the comment section. I would definitely like to share more ideas with you guys. And if you want me to style my natural hair, if you like to see more styles, different styles, easy peasy style that you can just wake up and stand up and go. And when you get to where you're going to be like, babe, when did you do your hair? Did you do your hair overnight? It's going to be that fabulous. Please tell me in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notification bell. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.